how to attach a blade to the Amazon Basics heavy duty utility knife. First, slide this forward and then open up the actual utility knife. Now, if you haven't got a blade already in, all you need to do is that there's a little slot there, if you can see it, this here, so look at that. Once it focuses, you need to slide the blade into that. Oops, that's why it's always handy to have some safety gloves on. So put it into that slot and then line up the two holes, let it go, there you go, and then close the lid and you'll have attached your blade to the Amazon Basics utility knife. So hopefully that helps you out how to attach a blade to the Amazon Basics utility knife. If it does, smash that like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.